Technology and Livelihood Education. Agriculture and Crop Production. Week 2 Part 2. Our topic is Performing Nursery Operations, Repair and Maintenance of Nursery Facilities. Intentions: learners will understand nursery operations by identifying the steps in establishing and maintaining nursery facilities, applying occupational safety and health OSH standards, and demonstrating safe and effective nursery management practices. Review of the previous lesson. Directions: read each step carefully. Arrange the steps in establishing a nursery facility by writing the numbers 1 to 7 in the blanks, with 1 as the first step and 7 as the last step. 1. Site selection. 2. Planning and layout. 3. Procurement of materials. 4. Soil preparation. 5. Constructing structures. 6. Setting up irrigation. 7. Plant propagation. Example of ideal nursery facilities. Our topic is Repair and Maintenance of Nursery Facilities. The following are the maintenance activities that need to follow in every nursery facilities. 1. Inspecting structures. Inspect greenhouses, shade houses, and other buildings on a regular basis for wear and deterioration. Tighten any loose connections, cracked frames, or rips in the plastic coverings. 2. Irrigation system maintenance. Check for obstructions or leaks in sprinklers, emitters, and irrigation lines. To guarantee adequate water flow, clean filters and flush pipes on a regular basis. Tool and equipment maintenance. After using a tool, clean and sharpen it to increase its longevity. Make the required repairs after inspecting machinery and equipment for any mechanical problems. Soil and bed maintenance. To keep soil fertile, replenish it in beds and containers as needed. To maintain the nursery hygienic and weed-free, remove dead plants, garbage, and weeds. Pest and disease control. Regularly check plants for symptoms of disease and pests. Use cultural norms, chemical treatments where needed, and biological controls as part of integrated pest management (IPM) techniques. Here is an example of activity and frequency of different maintenance schedule. Inspect structures, monthly. Clean irrigation system filters, monthly. Sharpen and oil tools, monthly. Check for pests and diseases, weekly. Replenish soil and mulch, seasonally. At Green Harvest Farm, the nursery facility plays an important role in producing healthy seedlings for vegetable production. After several months of operation, the farm manager noticed several problems. The greenhouse plastic had tiers that allowed pests to enter. The irrigation system was clogged and could not distribute water evenly. Many gardening tools were rusty, due to improper storage. As a result, some seedlings became weak, growth was uneven, and production costs increased. The farm workers were tasked with inspecting the nursery facilities, identifying the causes of the problems, and developing a maintenance plan. They needed to decide which repairs should be prioritized, what materials were required, and how regular maintenance could prevent similar issues in the future. Answer the following. 1. If you were the farm manager, which nursery facility problem would you repair first and why? 2. Analyze the possible effects of neglecting the maintenance of nursery facilities for an entire planting season. 3. Create a maintenance plan that would help prevent similar problems from occurring in the future. Explain why your plan would be effective. Sample of maintenance log.
A time to remember. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.